If it is easier for you, there is also the option to pay with PayPal or other local and online payment methods. PayPal payments are quick and easy. Simply click on the PayPal checkout button and follow the PayPal prompts. If credit or debit card or PayPal payments are not an option, then we suggest choosing one of the available local online payment methods. They vary from country to country, and you will be offered the ones available in your location. Simply select the payment method you prefer and follow the prompts to complete your checkout. Additionally, if you are ordering through your phone, we now accept Venmo payments as well as Apple Pay. To complete a checkout using either form of payment, you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account on your mobile device. Please keep in mind that, like traditional banks, some online payment options may need you to verify your purchase before they will allow the charge to go through. If you prefer, there is an option to pay offline via MoneyGram, Ria Transfer, Wire Transfer, Western Union, and many others. Once the offline payment method is chosen, our team will follow up with a call and an email to provide you with the necessary data to make the money transfer. After your payment is submitted, you will be assigned a unique 10 digits long invoice or order number. The invoice number, along with the order confirmation, payment receipt, and a unique tracking link will be sent to you by email. If you didn't get the order confirmation, it likely means that your email address wasn't properly entered, so please double-check your email and contact our customer support team. We will correct your email address and resend the order confirmation along with the payment receipt.